Hi, everyone. Welcome. My name is Christina McGuire, and I am the internship coordinator for the Career Center at Santa Barbara City College. Today, I am joined with Carla Leyva Palacios from Devereux Advanced Behavioral Health, and she is going to be talking about the multiple opportunities with their organization. So, Carla, if you want to take it away.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Devereux Behavioral Health recruitment presentation. We are very excited to meet you and have this opportunity to talk to you. And talk to you about what makes our organization special, the services we provide, and a background history, and of course, ongoing and current employment opportunities. So my name is Carla Leyva Palacios. I am the recruitment specialist here at Devereux, and I want to share a little bit of information about us. So we were founded in 1912 by one of the first pioneers in the field, Helena Devereux. She was a young female educator from Philadelphia, and she envisioned a world with better ways to help children impacted with emotional and cognitive difficulties. And I want to read you guys one of my favorite quotes of hers, which kind of gives insight to what she believed in. And this was a quote she gave in the 1970s, years after she had been doing the work that she did. She said, "The fact that I was a woman and a young and outspoken made quite a stir back then. Some of the thinkers of the time seemed to be more concerned that I should be looking for a husband and just teach my students using the current methods. Clearly, they lacked a bit of vision." So she strongly believed that children, regardless of the level of their disability, could learn and achieve personal growth in an environment tailored to their needs. To this day, these are the exact values and commitments that we have, and what made Devereux a nationally recognized partner in the world of behavioral health. So Devereux is one of the nation's largest nonprofit organizations. We provide services and insights in this field. Our unique model integrates the latest scientific and medical advancements with time-tested philosophies and compassionate family engagement to provide practical, effective, and efficient care. This has made an impact in over 25,000 people every year. And I want to show this picture right here on the right. This is actually some of the folks we serve. I just love this picture. And they're out selling their plants that they grow at the greenhouse. So this is just one of the services we provide. So we want to provide a holistic approach to behavioral health. And this means that we basically want to integrate physical and behavioral health care, ensuring that the whole person health. This helps end the stigma of people facing emotional and behavioral cognitive differences. So for a century, our mission has been to change the lives by unlocking and nurturing human potential in people living with emotional and behavioral differences. And again, here is a couple more pictures of the folks we serve. Again, I just love these pictures. So Devereux runs, we operate in a network of 13 states. We are a national nonprofit, and we offer clinical, therapeutic, educational, and employment programs. These impact the lives of tens of thousands of children, adults, and their families. We offer programs in hospitals, residential communities, school-based settings, and they include comprehensive assessment, diagnostics, evidence-based treatment, special education, transition and independent life services, as well as family education, professional training, research, innovation, and as well as public awareness and prevention. So you can see we do a lot. We do a lot, and we are pretty big. But I want to focus today in California. So I'm going to start telling you a bit about our program here in California. As you remember, I said we were founded in 1912 in Pennsylvania, but by 1945, at the request of families here on the West Coast, Helena decided to travel from Pennsylvania to California to expand her programs. And it was here in Goleta that the Devereux, California location was established and has continued its service for over 60 years, surrounded by acres of wooded groves, sand dunes, estuaries, meadows, and historic buildings. Here at Devereux, California, we specifically offer residential-based services, community living, day programs, and clinical services for individuals aged 18 and older. And I will go over all the different programs that we offer here. And then the people we serve usually have multiple diagnoses, including autism spectrum disorders, emotional and behavioral differences, intellectual and developmental disabilities, as well as dementia and other cognitive disorders. So if you decide to work here with us, we have the Devereux Promise. Basically, we promise a meaningful and fulfilling professional life of service. We promise a positive atmosphere where respect and compassion and teamwork are encouraged and rewarded. And we also offer opportunities for growth, as well as a servant leadership culture that drives us to do the right things for the right reason, create an environment of mindfulness for colleagues, clients, and families, as well as a commitment to equity through active advocacy for our clients, families, and employees. So if this sounds like something you'd like, keep on listening. So we have multiple benefits. That's one of the best things about working here with Devereux. We have competitive benefits. This includes student loan assistance, as well as up to a $1,000 sign-on. This is for full-time employees, and for part-time, you would get a $500 sign-on. Half of it is given after the first 30 days and the other half after 6 months. We also provide very flexible schedules. So if you're still in school or have family commitments, we are very flexible for that. We offer retirement plans, as well as employee assistance programs and work-life programs. Also tend to have employees stick around for up to 10 years because we offer a lot of opportunities for growth, learning, and promotion. And then as an employee, you can also receive up to $1,000 referral rewards. And then for our full-time employees, we have generous time off benefits. Time off benefits. This is vacation time. You start accruing hours really quickly. This is one of my favorite things. We also have really good health management leave, as well as multiple types of insurances that you should definitely take advantage of. And if you want to read more about that, we have a lot more in-depth information at benefits.devereux.org. So we are hiring. We provide so specifically here at California, we provide services for adults and adults with intellectual and developmental diagnoses. Here, located in Goleta, one of our positions is the direct support professional. As a direct support professional, you are responsible for ensuring the safety and environment of our individuals while supporting in their self-help skills designed to encourage independence. So our ideal candidate, we hope, is empathic, a team player, energetic, creative, and have excellent written and verbal communication skills. We want you to understand the theories of behavioral management and positive reinforcement and represent yourself as a positive role model. So here in the next couple slides, I'm going to go over the different positions that we have. You'll see we have quite a few. They vary from experience as well as the environment you will be in. So our starting position is our direct support professional. Our starting pay rate is 16, and we have a $1 hour differential for overnights. Our only qualifications are high school diplomas. You don't need experience, as we do provide a paid for training. We provide up to 40 hours of paid for training, as well as on the job training. We do require a driver's license and a good driving record. After that comes the direct support professional 2 position. And that goes up to $18, starting at $18 an hour. Again, the qualification is a high school diploma. We would love if you had a BA in the related field, and we do require 1 year of experience in a related field. So it could be caregiving or mental health or childcare, and we do require a driver's license. So beyond that, we have our DSP2. However, this one is in enhanced behavioral homes. So what this means, it's basically a home that houses individuals that have more intense needs and tend to be a little more complicated. So we do have this position. However, we do require a minimum of 1 year experiencing providing direct care to adults with developmental disabilities. So this is usually something we give after you've been with us for a while and you've seen what our clients are like, and we feel comfortable to promote you to this position. Again, this one does require a valid driver's license and a good driving record. Then this is the other side of the programs we provide. So the ones I just went over, those are all our on-campus residential. We basically provide the housing and everything involved in that. And the other side are personal attendants. Our personal attendants serve people in their homes. So this is for our supported living services. These tend to be folks who are more independent and just need certain help with certain things, maybe paying bills, doing errands, getting chores done, things like that. Again, we do provide training, so no experience is really needed, although it is preferred. And that one starts at $16 an hour with a $15.50 for overnights, because the overnight position is a sleeping position. So this means you would stay in the home with the client. However, you do get to go to sleep. Then we are also hiring LVNs and RNs. So as an LVN, you would work as part of the healthcare team to assess a patient's needs, plans, and modify care, implementing individual nursing care, providing patient care or treatments such as dressing wounds, bed sores, massaging, performing catheterizations, and measuring recording patients' vital signs. You will be administering medication, and the pay rates vary by experience. So I know this is a very competitive field. So the more experience you have, the better. And as an LVN, you do have to graduate from a LVN program. And we do prefer experience when it comes to this. We're also offering CNA positions. And again, the requirements is for you to be CNA certified, and we love new graduates. So you can come on down and gain some experience with us. So yeah, if you are interested, go ahead and apply at jobs.devereux.org. With any more questions that you have, you can contact me, and I have a little bit of time if you want to ask any questions right now. So yeah, thank you.